the poisoning of the water body. You know, say careful because me feel say the way we are approaching the thing is illegal.
The way we are approaching the fight against Galamsey.
Galamsey is illegal.
Yes, one.
The approach to the Galamsey is also illegal.
Really?
Yeah, but you've not passed any law in parliament to say go and burn people's excavators.
Oh, okay.
If indeed you have your own small scale money you are doing, you understand, and you burn, they can go to court, judgment death,
Bia Kwabashunko at the Batuma GH so some for an ama obiso by a cradu. Say and smell indeed him or my garden with the card, who has a war while she also with me in be actually and as I really ever sumo. Neighbors your for your share of money and semas this day or couldn't deal my agent no I walk on say a boy soon so any and say I by a galam say and I'm so ama abai at the Astra phobic. Alcohol a year and to team baby no I'm no send a bear. One more I share illegal mine you know it would be a friend of Galam say no will make me every no a baby and not to say a year a cardia would want dear sir a woman so no won't be edgy not to say brace soon crap woman me and some witchy and call and what woman to my so and on I'm so ama a year as that for no so I form one thing say a year a cardia. Amount for would know a day two a year galam say no, so one better so no much in quantity and say ja and woman better now I should have driven said a bear or call crown no him say Obeko assassin no never tell me asa go to a year galam say no. Na woman shall say a check, woman ship ya na no go see that dear woman caution a dear, a quite said a co a year a buyer what is soon woman me and go see a backo amadasa a buyer and tempi or my mumetre. A year NPP Women's Organizer Mami Kate Jemfua Nanwada a year Asra Fonu be a copiemo ewa achim ekopon the mining site a no so nebusofo excavators dodo 8 any those abako and it say pumping machines abodo eka ho na Asra Fonu etweja editu moshino drebe ate say ye kira mami kasa wa kasa ye ni Asra Fonu kasa any document okofa ba ye ni ate say well, yes, small scale miners so still, as I found said that woman need to move. Then on one summer baby Bragana phobia eka say so a ja woman extra editor excavators no emu eshino no ehu hiampo say aban be fast akwan no so ana sempo kwa fofo bi wo betimi e de aso galam say no ano na biem so no say eye women's organizer you will say owo eye enkrate let's say small scale miner na no ye shire we eye le excavators dey dey ka na say dia na so na say dia na no ada euro 2 for conference a wo arrange e ka say obeka abonte no na say no be na akoso e wo anumti anam so ama they say I don't be so improving chance say benefit mo abem mo bi no so metimi to ma sentina anam so ama yakoshe eye mami excavator nti so for some dey ayep e wo amanfo ano bi aka wasem bi enunti na yeto eye enkra na biem si anga say tutu anamo ade abepiem e wo Faith Army Chapel International ano ni fe ye ne eye so penny oda no Apostle Dr. Walter Sakwama de ni di ehia say dia na so my munsem e de bedi nkomo na say nunti e de aba na so say ba bi bisa no so no so aso na dwen efa eye excavator shishie no NPP Women's Organizer Mami Jemfua edi ya be shinu name sem amanfo kasa fa wo no na so no so na dwen efa wo NSN niti wa badia ene ye krado nkomo ni beko mpa niti bomo dia to nkrafo obi bia obetimi afre no so stay tuned na wo nhwe bi na me twam ho abasisi ayepa edi nkomo na shishie so Every form is so mama akwaba bi na buwa me na sabe mi ma Apostle Dr. Walter Sakwamante akwaba na efa nkomo ni share so prekope Apostle mo akwaba
what to say
ya mi ado mi we Apostle bi abako
mi ado nti
ede wade ase
na boy here ya be koyi
and pray once there is life there's the way okay na Apostle edin shiache na so ni emu nyama koso ewo maidu ntina ya toa wo ewo ha se bi sa wo so wadwen efa de ekoso ewo maidu na dedi kan I'm more fashion say a argument to be said. Excavators are asra for so there's for Mampenia to Mudego Galamsey prone areas no more shisheno but yes, we say and yet the kind Mampeni to asra for the go or the 2 months ago, so see Galamsey in the previous administration say what you say and Corporation Vanguard. No CC Galamsey for the one, but in the escalators, no CC one way or the other, if we are not IRA with no explanation. Indeed, with this new step, I won't take it, say, one more check excavators, no machine, no. Because for so complaining, say, and it won't help in any way. So, what dream from anything?
My dream, member Mitchell said, the Galamsey menace having, and what has been a difficulty is being said. And to me, differentiate between illegal mining
and small
scale mining.
Okay.
You know what I mean? And so that has been the problem that we are facing now. We can actually be able to differentiate.
Okay.
And but say, oh, yeah, legal mining and small scale mining, which is legal, I think there's nothing wrong with it. Because that is regulated. But I'm mixing BBR.
Yeah, mixing BBR.
And BBR Basa. Because my main cancer.
Okay.
You match a good.
Yeah.
Ever from.
Yeah.
And a common idea. Where they only do to an answer.
Ube to a natural resource.
I don't know to. I don't know to. What we have to do is regulate it well. And they said, when we are thinking of the box. So how are we able to do? Because you're too good. I work from this year according to us. Because there are a lot of good all over Ghana.
Yeah.
I come the end that our GDP will work, will have roads, will have all the infrastructure we need. And I'm about. And I don't know here to go. So there's nothing wrong with saying here to go.
Okay.
But we say water body issue in anything on years. As much as the government is supposed to rule, it has the power to take advantage. To make sure say the citizens are safe in terms of the poisoning of the water body. Say careful because me feel say the way we are approaching the thing is illegal.
The way we are approaching the fight against Galamsey
is illegal.
Yes, one.
The approach to the Galamsey is also illegal.
Really?
Yeah, but we've not passed any law in Parliament to say go and ban people's excavators.
Oh, okay.
If indeed you have your own small scale money you are doing, you understand, and they can go to court, judgment debt,
Really?
Yes.
And so because there's no law backing, so when you get the court.
What do you mean? Because you have approved that he does the mining.
Okay.
So for small scale, not the illegal one, but the small scale money, why the BBR? But it's become so desperate. I mean, if I want to say the other side, it's become so desperate. The water bodies are being poisoned.
Okay.
And so we need a desperate measure to be able to deal with it. If we grow up, we have to be able to plan things and do well. Water bodies, no. We can be able to have an aerial view of the water bodies in Yabaya. We can do resorts around the water bodies. Security around the water bodies. Nobody goes there.
Okay.
We can build something. I mean, go now we can do something on the water body. Go now to Organic called Johannesburg, Nako Obuasi. The skyscraper called Obuasi. Road crown only. So what are we doing to ourselves?
Yeah.
I'm not blaming present government. I'm blaming Ghana.
Okay.
And then what we have done in the past.
Okay.
The only thing present government is coming to do is build on what has happened in the past.
Yeah.
Clearly, you understand what I'm saying? Yeah. So we have to do an overhaul of mindset, a plan, a national plan. Ghana, the manifesto. Year 2 NDC manifesto. Year 2 NPP manifesto. And then we have a national plan.
Okay.
Because everybody wants to come impress. You can't impress us anymore. They say you think why address you. You can't impress anybody anymore. So we have to build something on the water bodies, waterway, something, resort.
Okay.
And then mining can be done on district levels. If I'm mining, but my one district, one factory. I remember.
Yeah, and also a resource.
And also one district, one factory.
Okay.
And no cry one district, one factory.
Yeah.
So this district, my moon to go, no. one nation, one factory. The whole thing is one of the seaside, the river body side is really well managed.
Okay.
And so there's a particular type of money which will be approved because we know that it will not affect the water body. But as what is most paramount, is most important. But the way God has given us resources now here managing what I say.
Yeah.
And see, I'm of the opinion, we have failed totally as a nation when it comes to gold. God has given us a gold. Take it. You understand what I'm saying? We don't, you see, it's all because institutions don't work. So we grab we be fact not they are able to protocol. Until we need to be able to strengthen our institutions in the area Canada. And we need a national plan. A national plan. You're brainstorming, you're finding out how do we how are we able to solve this menace of Galamsey? See, I am bad. And well, I mean, I feel that what they are doing is trying to bring some positive, things. Is getting the water clearer. But what you have to do is do a cost-benefit analysis. How much money do I need? Would I get when I do the mining? If I get the money, would I be able to clear my water? I mean, if I am able to pull gold and I have enough money, can't I have a system where my water can be purified? What system are we running? I say, analysis. Who has come out with a research, a report on the water body, what we can do with design? There should be an architecture, a plan architecture to this. The government about Galamsey, the manifesto of Galamsey, both NDC and NPP, is empty. At the district level, to me, it will bring employment to the people. These guys, they are leaving them. They don't have education, don't forget. And this is what they do to eat. They won't stop it. This is ad hoc, it's temporal. We need to find a smarter way. If we are starting this up, but going forward, what do we do quickly? Let's bring everybody. Say the youth there. Then perform. We won't say face a country, face attitude, whatever you call it. How dare you now? People are angry. And what we can do is analysis in here. Let's come to the drawing table. What can we do to solve this menace? So I'm on the other.
Okay, Apostle, revelation that you are bringing out, it goes deep, because I think that if this thing we are all talking about, this Galamsey, if it was strategically planned, say this is how we are going to stop the people.
It was kind of almost in my mind. Who fear you would do it. But it has to have strategic level now monitor.
Okay.
How many employees, what things, how much gold, what percentage of that gold will develop the area.
Does it matter if it belongs to the government and now say individually owned?
No, it should be at district level. It should be at district level.
That is the government.
The government, yes.
Okay.
And it should benefit the society. What I say, people should be. We need a whole reorientation as a nation.
As a plan of crime,
there's planning. I'm sure Ghana paperwork. I'm telling you, the paperwork is there, but nobody has taken it and say, implement it. Politics not also. NDC, NPP, NDC.
So, they're politically. The way it is, somehow, because if you are NDC or you are NPP, I something that it's a ground people look at. But Apostle, with everything that you have brought on board, people are now harboring hatred. As that, when the excavators were being there, there have been audios that have been going viral for Kasa, and this government doesn't care for people. This government is wicked, or there's a selfish. They only think about what they need or what they can get at the moment. And because of this thing that we think, say, for our own good, say we are all protecting our future. But people are harboring hatred at the government because of steps that were taken, say, at all costs. Galamsey must be eradicated from our community. Why should people behave like this when it's for our own good?
Ghana, well, my main concept, we are getting to a certain real where because of freebies, free days, free water, free SHS, free, social intervention, we get careful. We will lose the reality of governance. Because government, we tax. Government, we want to do reformations and revolution of economies, not the idea. There will be sacrifices that you have to do. We have to be told the truth. And what we have to be seen as tightening our, belt, we have to tighten. And they say, tighten, not politician in the everybody is tightening. Because they say we are near me. What I say, we all come together. Listen, if you are sacrificing your salary, 10%, 20%, now sacrificing. Nobody say, now we are all on debt. We want to solve the problem. This is the language we have to speak. Because we have come to a point where our water bodies are becoming like tea. And it's getting bad. We have to do something about it. The only problem is that it's getting so bad that we don't even have time to go to parliament and do a law to say that. If you see, I don't know whether there is, and I don't know how.
Military, they act on command. They were commanded to go.
Implications, but and we have to be very careful. But we feel that, actually, we have to fight it. How? Well, we can look at the short term, we can look at the medium term, and we can look at the long term. This one is a short term. What is a medium term? Plans should be found underway to see the interest at district level. No, maybe it feels that I didn't even from here to the
it still has the mind. The goal has to be mind, but we should look for ways we can do it. Okay.
What is it? What thinking has gone into it?
I'm getting your point.
What thinking has gone into it? Nobody has. I listen to people, but I've never heard that conversation.
It's like we are stopping it now. We are doing all we can do to stop it. Now, to say, Apostle,
to a little planning without spoiling the water bodies. I'm sure that people have done a lot of work behind the scenes, but we like ad hoc too much. The buka and I think we need to do something about it.
Apostle, you share conversation and what can be said? We need to know the difference between small scale mining and the illegal mining. That's bringing us to the topic of Mami Kate Jemfua issue. She is, according to on the side of the story, she is a small scale miner. But according to the Ghana Armed Forces, those who bent the excavators, she has document that is back and that's even renewed just recently in March. But still, the activities as a small scale miner is destroying water bodies, destroying lands. So fine, we are getting to know the difference between
okay. Can you confirm that activities in destroy lands?
That is according to the reports from the soldiers who bent the excavator, because they had to give reasons why they do that. Because according to the report that came earlier, the woman showed them the documents, her renewed license to operate as a small scale miner. But according to the soldiers they saw that it was causing distraction to the water body. So according to the command they have been given from their heads, they are supposed to spoil or destroy excavators.
So the military is
operating on
command.
Yes.
So you have been commanded to do it, just do it.
So you see, there were interactions there.
Why when we are getting the military involved in activities, you have to be careful.
Yeah.
They are truly different. Their discipline is high standards.
It's on command basis. Yeah.
So we have one question. So we didn't have, unfortunately, things have gone bad. And we didn't have time to think through this because we have to save the water body. OT.
Yeah.
But you can't begrudge the military. They are responding to command.
Yes.
You understand? And it's unfortunate, but I feel the measures will have to be radical to solve the problem. I feel for her really,
one excavator costing about 120,000.
I would have thought that excavators, government will confiscate it.
It has happened before.
No. Government didn't confiscate it.
They were seized.
They were seized, but it was not confiscated.
Okay, so there's a difference between Caesar and confiscation.
So go through due process.
Okay.
We pass a law, and then when they see it has become government property, then the excavators are called districts. What do you think? If you want to economy, really unless the area people come and do, because I buy sand, my area live a bit far, so most support over there combining area. I've been buying sand about two, three trips, and I feel it Porto, they be a bit top. But at district level, at local government level, it should work. It's in a way out, but me a Philip Porto, I'm being here, for the district. What about that? Yes, sir.
And that brings us to the issue.
Difficulty?
I think that brings us to the issue of the chief of Asanteman.
Okay.
That is the tool for what he said at the conference. But before we even go there, let's go and watch the video first about everything, his speech at the conference, and we'll come back to discuss. It was for you share a year or say to two for his speech and then saying now they ever to drive a year galamsey a month for more galamsey more you many said the woman in the air now today they are the organizing conferences. They could send it back. Everything go more at their farm.
Answer and making time, Massima Mebecano. Before I read my speech, I can't send baby and be here. And Regional Minister Ne Meba Dina Pomba and almost say, and a pachoya can't dear walk ratano, so Messima Prince Mecana. And this are no news to be a mechanism Fufrobia, Ed Kakra. As I said, no crane me catch a woman say, Galamsey, ye can, I damn have me chimu, ye chimu, send me a year, you are nature me and son. A mobile 30% in Moma ye Galamsey Nina. Ye near to them, hey. See a G and watching ya, ye chimu, move back 30% and not any Moma ye Galamsey. Now, ya nkano krenwa ye be dada e ho e be ye conference ya be ha say me che ya o mo be ye galamse ade ba ko se nananmo ne twa asase ne maaye o kan o ye nim ha no mo kan na bia o tuo bia o twa asase o de ye galamse bia wo so wa ye galamse bia wo so wa ubu an ho fo se wa ye bone Uko krom na sampa so dia asase amase enye galamse na ate ho a na hini be na wudie e bone enti mum ye hweye enra mu ka asema me ka se me be kan sem bebra ko fast ma banti meja no ma
na ebusefo wo hwe eye de na yewra otufo edit to na say watchla empenifu a mochimu na yendim se ne tutu ebe ahemfo ene ebiem nso no aban mu empenifu yibini amanfo mu yetutu ene so mochimu no waka se mu 30% aware of galamsey wo bia wo eduma kotia se wo kwa wo no ehye ase a wo ye galamsey no na so wo se nim wo no na wo mutimi yo moto na say every get back to the issue say you confiscate excavators near the mad district they guarantee any was as on mine district for no so the be a ma esefata se wo mo enfaneta so wo ni afi abaya police no wo so ebre bi etwemu operation banga de ba yo mutimi enya bi na wo ye hu ekwan ye fa excavators ni ayira yo msa ko bra enwem dem no na we no ye he de nya gidi wo mu se wo betimi ekibi tempo sa soja fo ne ntimi anhye excavators ne de mo betimi ekibi na question ye metuma apostle
yes
na ze me de ba osubiem se na wo kan se na ye ko hwe video no say it's me the mad district na plan ye me de keka wono Ghana ye lake it's a fact say ya kwan ye e ke betimi dia ya kwan ye be ka but excavators yi every bi etwe yetimi enye bi e ma ni be di aban sa se ne ye se ko rem bi si na ye nkyere mu nkyere but ni nya mu no ya sa hya se ya ye tu galamse ase na se ya se nya excavators bi die ni guarantee ya wo se ade ye ji e bi fro ne de ma district fo no mo ne be ye chuma aban no hwe ni se nko mfanya se ye mpo ye hwe se wo mo mfanya.
Well, I mean, once with the man district, you have to systems to himself. My can say one of the most controlled nations in the world is Europe.
Europe.
More cameras.
Okay.
Everything is controlled.
All right.
But uncontrolling now, occur here why? Until once you complete the excavators, what you could do is you set controls in place. You provide security to make sure, say, Obiano on fire excavator. As simple as that. Obiano fire a person. The same hard measures now will take it to burn. Do the same thing at the district level. And make sure nobody takes it because I mean that's it.
It was the same government and now what power woman to be a why is it that time no multi excavators they couldn't put system in place and here can see now yes, I know opportunity be yes.
Way forward, we've learned lessons.
We have learned lessons.
And we have to go forward. You're interested in better, we can solve it. Didn't help. I mean, I'm sure that's why they're taking the street measures. But if you ask me, you bet to me.
Misha, now who did he say galamsey no excavators no shishia no emwa.
No, I don't dear. I feel it's a bit short term and a bit ad hoc. No, we'll get results, but we'll have problems.
You will have problems?
Yeah, I mean, government debt will come in. For the small people who pay a fortune for that act.
And say, I buy no to my bromikabi. Say, why one pen tell me to an amobi at their fire in some.
Oh, say, I didn't need an emergency. Then I didn't know. Just imagine people drinking that kind of poison. At the level, you have to protect your citizens. And at the spell of the moment, there has to be a solution. What else here? But going forward, this thinking, maybe my proposals, these are the things and these are the ways we can look at it.
But say judgment depth to so bamu. Where is the careful from bamu? I just say, Kaye two and a month ago, woman in the just beauty for one be. Now, if they are Salaboy and Kaye, there's a going to crank and Kaye.
But cost the benefit analysis is at least we get water. Otherwise, can you imagine you're importing water from another country? And at least it's a hard measure. It's going well, but we should think deeper into it. Quickly, we need to be smarter. Maybe the other one, the Shinfa or something they call it, can burn that one.
The Shanfa.
Shanfa or whatever.
It's from the Chinese.
Whether it comes or not. Let's burn that one and leave the excavators. As simple as that.
Okay, you share speech.
And then we can use that at the district level.
Okay. Now you share speech you wrote to for Edituja. The speech you some of the kind said as a chief, a dignitary, so no now or make his speech. Now the first thing they said, like the speech was rated for him. That he should like go according to a term of protocol by reading that script action man, but he decided as kind of person he is not to read but say it plainly what he thought about the Galamsey fight.
I think he was being truthful, and I like the way he approached it. Why do you want to tell him that you didn't stick with it? What speech? He's speaking the truth. Everybody there knows who is doing the Galamsey. And that is a major breakthrough. That statement is a heavy statement, it's a wise statement. It may feel it's a good statement that we can pick on it to help us to fight the news.
In that same conference, the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Honorable Abudina Potimubu.
Oh yeah, I mean,
he's the one that like the
front. He's his son. He can't engage his father.
Yes, truly, but he's the frontier of this fight against.
So you have shown him the way to go about it. Come on, let you show you who I am, but deal with it. Let's not pretend.
There was a wise counsel from the father to
wise counsel from the father to the son. He should take it and help. It will help him as a minister.
Okay. And Tina say if they follow the due process, send our can the planner. Galamsey will be a thing of the past, but we have
to get a blessing. Just like saying, you have gold on the ground and you are suffering. And you say, okay, I'm not going to do anything with it. Look, you are not to kill yourself. For me, in my opinion, you need to go in emphasis. Yeah, man. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yes. Why not?
Okay, so what do you recommend? Say after this, no, say I know you know excavators share. So what's the medium way to help, like the long term?
The medium way stakeholders will come together quickly. We have experts, they have report, put a plan together.
Stakeholders,
stakeholders,
the miners,
mining, the chiefs, the district, everybody should come together and let's have a blueprint and make sure that we do something together. And let's start from somewhere. We can see Vision 2026, Vision 2029, and we are working at it right now.
How soon should that meeting be held?
Like yesterday.
I was like yesterday.
Yes, as soon as possible. Whilst they are doing this, there should be a meeting of cabinet, meeting of ministers, district assemblies, a meeting of the mining institutions, a meeting of environmental institutions. There should be a meeting. There should be an expert in mining, the vice chancellors of the School of Mining, and all the brains behind mining to sit down and give ourselves an ultimatum of what they say, put something together and project it to see if we can help us. That's what it is.
Okay, others are also recommending saying, Kebeya, one more year to chew women's cabinet station, can form on board. Persecute them if they are indeed criminals acting against the laws of the land, and they should be persecuted on that.
Do you know the statistics of people who do that? I'm saying.
Unless you tell me.
I have not done it, but there's a huge number. I'm telling you, when you go to the district, you can have almost the youth from 12, 13, 14.
Oh, but we have the owners, like the frontiers, or the same.
But I'm just saying, everybody, if everybody should be prosecuted, look at our prisons. We don't even have space for them. You understand? So it's not everything that we criminalize.
Yeah.
Let's look at solutions. I did a condemn. Criminalize why I did. That's not how to rule the nation. Let's put systems in place so that we can be able to get our money from the ground, provide employment for the guys and the youth. We don't need to fight them and fight and military this, that. It is temporal.
All right.
We have to have a medium-term strategy. Quickly, there should be a meeting, a plan should be put together, and let's start and see how we can put it well.
Okay, but there's still a school of opinion, Bimuka said, because we are not able to plainly name and shame. That is why it has become a pandemic for Ghana that we are going through this. Because if, say, National Women's Organizer of the NPP has been found to be involved in such a thing, 8 excavators are bent.
No, but
why can't she be prosecuted? Why aren't the chiefs?
I don't know why you're using that as an example.
No, I just use it because her issue is now.
Somebody hears it and doesn't know that indeed she had documents might misinterpret you.
Okay, so let me take that one back. But the chiefs who are giving out lands, the men who are paying the chiefs for the land, those who hire the young boys to come on board, to come and those who buy the excavators, all of them, the frontiers, I didn't think it's me echo way mining site. So he said this is an illegal mining site. We take the excavators, we burn them, yet the owners are let go free, scot-free, when money can always be earned. They can always come back to. Why are they not being persecuted?
You're not interpreting the governance system well. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Prosecution. How many people do we have in the cells? Do we have enough adequate resources to prosecute all the damage that we have on board?
We can't always take them to the jail. We can find them. We can find ways and means to make the law work. So at least it will serve as a deterrent for somebody else.
When you do that, you are not provided food on the table. We go back to it. I come have you. I come.
I come in Timran Yejuma.
No, yes,
Okay.
So I'm saying that The feel said what I proposed will help. Senegal will do that district level, provide resources for them, have a plan, and get everybody involved in the plan. We are sure passage maybe a shopping mall, shop rights in district level. And I said, so good job, some factories. Till all these factories, if they are supposed to be at the district level, do you think everybody will go into Galamsey? No. No. I mean, it's like denying the person food and killing him.
Really?
Yes. So me, my opinion said, let's make provision for the people. Let's think of the box. It's a simple approach too much. Simple, prosecute. I don't know.
But as our state, as a now developing country, how can we afford as a local district level now, creative district factories, employer, how can we afford that amount they are being paid by day at the Galamsey site? We can never compensate them that much.
I'm really sure it's better. It's when people die. I mean, between you and your life, who will you choose? They don't have it. There are no jobs there.
Really?
Yes. Are they jobs
in this time that people are being inventive, maybe entrepreneurs and all that.
Apart from farming, cocoa farming. Now, back and show TV and before the dank is the fleet of the non share road be on Trasaco Road or something.
Yeah.
And you could see a fleet of Lamborghinis parked, young as one film. That's what we're used to. Now, Ghana, Lamborghinis are parking, I said from here to like 100 meters. Nice cars, nice houses. I know to village now, you look at that as well. So just meet him halfway through.
Okay.
At least the basic needs of men should be that way. What to them can say.
Yeah.
So I feel, in my opinion, we can't always prosecute. Let's provide resources that will help the teeny unemployment youth out there in the districts.
Okay.
Yeah. Unemployment and also
okay.
And I'm mean that we have to do something. If in the next year or two the youth is not sorted out, I don't know. We are sitting in the time to be said, that's a way forward. Let's look at the way to go about it to help us.
Any final words for those watching us?
Okay, yeah, I say we have to pray for Ghana.
Yeah.
And we have to employ all the skills we have. Ghanaians are very, very innovative. I want to ask everybody to come on board. Somebody can also bring a proposal. And I feel sad, whether we like it or not, to a large extent, our government listens sometimes. You understand? I mean, for me, most of the time, it's come back to retract and correct things. There are other times where people had different expectations. But for me, if we speak, if somebody comes to propose acts, not insults, they will see eye to eye with that. You understand? Yeah. I don't believe in the insults, but everybody will pick up something and we can all think through and see how we can also solve the problem. Everyone. So my humble opinion is that I'm speaking to all the stakeholders. They should get together. We can get the money from the ground. We should stop the Galamsey, or we shouldn't leave the go to states government.
I was to say, go to Spania. They are too long, because they are chatting and made at the 20. No, you bet to not to a year to Yempe quite dear. You bet me a 2 and go or how and far and my night it was a form. You come more any day up that area and the south. I think Chibia will found and soon quite. But what the NFL fire comment section one if I sung it. Maybe no share video on all the social media platforms. Follow Tuma GH or Instagram, Twitter, so at Tuma GH _ Facebook, so a Too Much GH. Meeting the Ama Obusa, and the day did you know every Faith Army Chapel International and I did so Mona Ewo, a year Odoko Wizia Junction down the street. And it was for Momodiana Moon located. Now, I had a very special place. Apostle Dr. Walter Sakwamanti and the Editor Woman, I had to my beside the shop in Macramunia.